Hello guys, I am Vyakhya Srivastav. Today we are going to build a project in data analysis using R programming language. Let's do exploratory data analysis for World Happiness Report 2015 with 158 countries and 13 columns plus standard error column. First of all, install the package dplyr and call it using library function. Assign world happiness data Excel file as .csv file to a variable db. Then we will view the database. This is our database. Let's consider data does not have any error. So we will remove standard error from column 5. Let's find out different regions in which the countries are divided. There are 10 unique regions. We want to classify data based on continents. So we will see which region falls in which continent and then filter out those countries. We are defining new variable where we can classify all the countries based on continents. We will use which function. The region in Australia and New Zealand will fall in the continent Australia. Similarly, for North America, we will declare any countries which fall in the region of North America will be assigned to continent as North America. Any country in the region of Central, Eastern and Western Europe will have Europe as a continent. For any country in Sub-Saharan Africa or in the Middle East or North Africa will be in Africa. Any country lying in Southeastern Asia, Southern Asia or Eastern Asia will fall in Asia. Any country residing in Latin America and the Caribbean region will be in South America. Go back to the table. You will observe that a new column, continent, is added where each country is denoted with its respective continent.